Welcome to our channel. Discover the easiest way to activate your Barclays credit card today. Welcome to our channel. And thank you for joining us on this journey to simplify your financial life. Today, we're diving into a straightforward step-by-step guide to help you activate your Barclays credit card swiftly and safely. Once your new card arrives in the mail, the first thing you'll want to do is activate it so you can start enjoying all the benefits Barclays has to offer. Step 1. Locate the activation. Details. Barclays usually sends instructions with the card either on a sticker attached to the card or in the accompanying welcome letter. Step 2. Choose your preferred activation method. Barclays typically offers multiple options, including online activation via their secure website or through a dedicated phone line. Step 3. For online activation, visit the official Barclays credit card activation page. Make sure you have your card number and personal details handy. Enter the required information, carefully including your card number, your date of birth, and sometimes a one-time passcode sent to your phone. Step 4. If you prefer activating by phone, call the number provided on the sticker or welcome letter. This automated service will guide you through the activation process. You may need to provide your card number and some personal information to verify your identity. Step 5. After confirming your details and completing all the steps, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your card is now active. Remember to sign the back of your card once it's activated for additional security. Step 6. Safeguard your card details and keep your activation confirmation in a secure place. This ensures you're ready to manage transactions and monitor your spending conveniently. If you encounter any issues during activation, Barclays customer service is just a call or click away, ready to assist you. Our goal is to make the activation process as simple and stress-free as possible so you can start using your Barclays credit card with confidence without delay.